8 News Now team is asking for your help pitching in for our community. Our company Nexstar is celebrating Founders Day Friday, June 15th. In honor of that, we're teaming up with the Pal NV Foundation.
It helps low-income families, senior citizens, veterans, and the homeless care for their dogs and cats by providing food, pet food, and cat litter each month for free. June 15th, you can drop off your donations right here at the station from 6:30 in the morning to 5:30 in the evening. Our address, 3228 Channel 8 Drive.